Luscombe Suzuki Leeds, we are proud to offer for sale CY15 AUX. It's a Toyota Aygo 1.0 VVT-i X-Play. The car's finished in bright red with black accents. Looking inside the car, it's finished in black cloth with grey stripes. The car's equipped with Bluetooth. The car is a two-owner car and it's got full service history. All Luscombe Suzuki cars come with a year's MOT, and we will service the car before the car goes to its new owner. All in all, a fantastic looking example of a Toyota Aygo on a 15 plate. And thank you for watching.